Takeaways from Attorney General Pam Bondi's contentious Senate hearing. Attorney General Pam Bondi's appearance before the Senate Judiciary Committee on Tuesday showed the sharp divide between the left and the right on how justice in the U.S. is being carried out. Democrats and Republicans repeatedly talked past one another throughout the hearing, pointing fingers across the aisle over who was to blame for weaponizing the Justice Department. Democrats accused Bondi of allowing President Donald Trump to direct prosecutions of his political enemies, including last month's indictment of former FBI Director James Comey. Republicans, meanwhile, blamed the Biden Justice Department of using special counsel Jack Smith to prosecute Trump and spy on Republicans, pointing to the release Monday of documents showing Smith's investigation obtained call records through a court order of 8 Senate Republicans. Bondi approached Tuesday's hearing prepared to deflect Democratic questions on a number of topics, from the Comey prosecution and the release of the Epstein files to the deployment of National Guard troops in blue states. She also had a host of personal attacks at the ready to try to brush back her Democratic questioners' Bondi's strategy. Deflect and attack. Bondi fended off questions on the investigation into accused sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein, National Guard deployments, and investigations into Trump's political enemies, using quick one-liners to deflect and personal attacks to push back against Democrats. As senators pushed her on Trump's connections to Epstein, the Attorney General repeatedly claimed that those same Democrats had connections to another alleged associate of Epstein's, LinkedIn founder Reid Hoffman. She also questioned why Democrats hadn't raised concerns about the Epstein investigation before her term, at one point challenging senators by responding, "Did you ask Merrick Garland any of this over the last 4 years when he sat before you?" And when Illinois Senator Dick Durbin pushed Bondi on the legal rationale for sending National Guard troops to Durbin State against the governor's wishes, the Attorney General shot back, "I wish you loved Chicago as much as you hate President Trump." She attacked several other Democrats personally. "How dare you? I'm a career prosecutor. Don't you ever challenge my integrity." In response to questions from Democratic Senator Mazie Hirono of Hawaii about the closing of an investigation into Trump's border czar, Tom Homan reportedly taking $50,000 in cash from undercover FBI agents last year, Bondi said that no credible evidence of wrongdoing was found and then shot back with a non sequitur. "You were also on video outside the White House protesting with a group where Antifa members were. Does that mean you're a member of Antifa?" Bondi said. In less contentious exchanges, the Attorney General responded to questions by criticizing Democrats for not voting to end the government shutdown. "The personnel issue that I'm having right now is that all of my agents, all of my lawyers, are working without a paycheck because your party voted to shut down the federal government," Bondi said. In one exchange during which Rhode Island Senator Sheldon Whitehouse accused Emil Bove of prosecutorial misconduct during his brief stint as Principal Associate Deputy Attorney General, Bondi stopped him with a rejoinder. "To correct you for one moment, that would be the Honorable Judge Emil J. Bove III to you." Democrats press Bondi on Trump's DOJ influence. Democrats pointed to numerous examples. They say show Bondi has failed to keep the Justice Department independent from the whims and wishes of the president. Bondi was pressed about a social media post Trump made directly urging Bondi in September to prosecute 3 of his political enemies, telling her, "We can't delay any longer," and that not bringing criminal against several Democrats charges is killing our reputation and credibility. Lest the